Introducing our range of Quantex disposable precision pumps. They work on the principle of positive displacement with a rotary action and are manufactured so inexpensively that they can be considered as part of the disposable liquid pack. Our pumps will perform reliably and accurately throughout the life of the pack, thus reducing cost and maintenance of the dispenser. Concentrates have no need to pass through the dispenser because the dilution and mixing take place in the disposable pump. Quantex precision pumps handle a high range of viscosities from 1 centipoise, which is water, to more than 250,000 centipoise, which is the consistency of peanut butter. Viscous concentrates can be diluted in the pump straight into a cup or into a line to supply another part of the machine. Because the pump can deliver doses with high precision and can dilute in pump, dilution ratios up to 500 to 1 are possible, which means far more doses per pack, making equipment more compact and taking water out of the distribution channel. Our in-house design team will assist you to incorporate Quantex technology into your equipment. The pump and dispenser system can be an integrated design, allowing a flexible and custom solution, building and protecting your brand. If you would like to evaluate our pumps in your laboratories, you can rent or buy our evaluation kits. Choose your sector to find out more about Quantex's features and benefits.